Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Good morning, everyone. 7:21 on a Tuesday, and you'll look at the radar here, and you'll notice still some green showing up on this. We have patchy drizzle, patchy areas of light rain, or in other terms, scattered areas of some light rain or drizzle. Keep the umbrellas handy because we will keep the chance for some drizzle and some light rain going even into the afternoon. However, I do expect that the coverage will be even more spotty as we go through time today. Doesn't mean that you may not get under an area of some light rain or a patch or two of some drizzle, but I don't expect it to be as much as what we had going into yesterday afternoon when that rain was increasing from south to north. Right now, though, some drizzle showing on the radar from Fleming over to Rowan County, also over into Elliott and Morgan. That extends even in patchy areas across parts of Bourbon into Montgomery and Bath counties. Farther to the south, we'll take you and you'll see that drizzle in parts of, let's say, even Jackson and Rockcastle, even into parts of Garrett County, a little bit of that showing there. It's a little more prevalent, though, right now as we go deeper into southeast Kentucky, Clay County, Leslie County, Perry County, as we work our way to Letcher and from there up to Knott County, southern Magoffin, and even over into Pike County. As we go through time again, we'll still keep some drizzle or some, again, sprinkles even in the forecast going into the afternoon. Lots of clouds still too. Damp roads, wet roads across here. This is Richmond right now. You can see the low clouds, but from this vantage point, doesn't look like we're getting any drizzle or some light rain here at the moment. But temperatures are definitely on the chilly side. Upper 40s to right around 50 degrees is where most of us are starting. A couple of chilly spots, a few mid 40s, Mount Sterling over to Hazard this morning. Look over time. See how the coverage of the drizzle and showers has started to decrease. That's why we're saying that today is drier than it was across the area yesterday. That low pulls away. There is barely on the left side of your screen our next low that comes in here as we go into the day tomorrow. Let's head down to the tropics, though, and give you an update here on major Category 5 Hurricane Melissa. This is Jamaica right here, and it is making a beeline, already impacting the island right now. The country there, Category 5 winds were at 175 miles per hour with gusts at 215. As of the 5 a.m. update, we'll get another update likely around 8. Expected to go right over Jamaica, over eastern Cuba, southeast Bahamas, then go up into the northern parts of the Atlantic. No impact to the lower 48. Our forecast watching low pressure number 1 get a little weaker, but you can see a blip or two of some green. Definitely still mostly cloudy across the state today. Chilly, breezy at times. Tomorrow, there's the next low. Look at the widespread rain. Moderate to heavier bursts of rain will be likely on Wednesday. Winds gusting 20 to 30 miles per hour. Very chilly. That low pulls away just in time for us to get into Halloween, which is good. We look at it all in your 7-day forecast. A lot of upper 40s tomorrow for temperatures. It depends on how quickly that next batch of rain starts moving, especially by midday and afternoon hours. Showers, I should say, around the area on Thursday. Halloween, there may be a sprinkle or a spotty shower early, but most of the area dry. And by trick-or-treating, looking good. A little chilly, but at least dry. And then into the weekend and the start of next week, we could get a couple of systems to sneak through here that may bring some spotty showers. We'll keep an eye on that and fine-tune it as we get closer.